I'm sharing how I turn long videos into quick, shareable clips using Vizard and why I keep returning to it for steady content without the editing grind. Vizard automatically picks the best bits from long-form footage and turns them into ready-to-post clips. It also handles scheduling and gives you a central content calendar to manage posts across socials. Those three things, auto-editing, auto-scheduling, and the content calendar, are the backbone of the flow. Plus, I'll walk you through the quirks I ran into. First, you log in, start a new project, and upload your full-length footage so Vizard can scan for highlights. The AI surfaces moments like vocal peaks, smiles, or scene changes, and I start with a simple sentence to see what pops out. When the clips appear, some are spot on, others need a tweak, and that's where pinning and editing moments helps. If the AI grabs the wrong beat, you can adjust the sensitivity, pin the moment, and rerun for a better cut. Be aware that asking for exact dialogue can be tricky if you don't provide a precise timestamp or context. For exact lines, upload clean audio or point to the precise moment so lip sync and captions stay accurate. I experimented with creative briefs like making a cinematic intro, and the AI suggested some bold transitions, which they fine-tuned later. Sometimes the AI overdid it, so I just dial back transitions or remove effects to keep things tight. Exported files are optimized for mobile with 916 and 1619 presets and easy download options. The content calendar is a real time saver. You set a posting frequency and the AI fills the calendar across platforms. I compared Vizard with other tools. Some create original assets, but Vizard shines for repurposing webinars and podcasts into bite-sized posts. If you want studio-grade voices or heavy scene generation, you can pair Vizard with other generative tools and still slot everything into one workflow. I ran a quirky test where a video clip had a guy tossing laptops, and I refined the brief to get a better slow-motion highlight. For tricky creative effects, I use Vizard to find the right moment, then finish the stylized edit in a simple editor. Organization helps a lot. Clear project names and tags like best tips or funny bloopers keep the AI search useful. There's a redo button and quick feedback loop so you can refine clips without rebuilding everything from scratch. If you're collaborating, quick review buttons help manage content policy and approvals directly in the editor. Higher tier add-ons can map episode arcs or reuse frames for a consistent look across clips. Finally, I tried a playful outro with a cartoon frog delivering the end screen, which felt natural and effective. Vizard helps you find the best moments, turn them into polished clips, schedule them, and keep everything organized in a calendar. It's not magic, just a guided process that saves time and makes consistent posting much easier for creators. If you're a creator wanting to stop bottlenecking at editing and show up more consistently, it's worth trying. And if you'd like, drop your workflow ideas in the comments and I'll share how I'd set up Vizard for different formats. Like and subscribe for more hands-on walkthroughs and honest tool tests from how to do it all, and thanks for watching.